Okay, listen to the sounds. This is them all over the block. I'm walking down the sidewalk. See? They're just all over the place. Look at them. See? Here's some of their shells that they come out of. See? Just the little shells. And they crumble. There's one right there. See all the little shells? They're all up the trees. Look at that. Here's one coming out of the shell. Look, they're all over the trees. See all these shells? Look at them. Look at all them shells. Here's the holes in the ground where they come out of the ground. Put all of them at the base of the tree. Here's one crawling up. He just came out of a shell because his wings are still soft. Look at this. See him? All up and down the tree. See that one coming out of the shell? All on the fence, ground. They're like savoir faire. They're everywhere. Look at that. Look at these holes in the ground. See, this one just came out of the shell because his wings are still wet, drying out. See? You can hear the sounds of the cicadas.